Hi, this is John in Los Angeles. It's September 11th, 2022. Looking at the cauliflower microwaved skies of Huntington Beach here. It's a microwave day in the neighborhood. Look at all this stuff. A lot of microwave patterns. Really here, you can really see it. Coagulation all through the sky here. Look at this. The heat is pretty outrageous down here too. Oh boy. Yeah, every direction you look, there's a new design. Take a look. We got little corn balls, cauliflower, then you got this wispy cotton candy. Everything's different. This is not clouds, guys. They don't show up in 12 different fashions. The Cloud Fashion Show. Here it is. Yes. Look at that. I didn't grow up with this. No, I didn't. Look at this hairy bastard. Look at that. Does that look like it's from Earth? And this. Yeah. Okay. Everything's normal. No problem. All right. Your weather report for the day. I say total horse shit. Thank you.